So what exactly is the customer value journey? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. In digital marketing, you will often hear the term CVJ, or Customer Value Journey. Many people will simply nod when they hear this and believe they understand what it means. Most will have some idea, but not really understand that it's a unique and well-defined path that every customer should be guided down if you want a long-term, successful relationship with that customer. This step-by-step process begins with step 1, awareness. The first thing you need to do in every customer relationship is make them aware you exist and that you offer something that they want, or at least something that they need. In today's digital world, this is often done through social media sites, but it can also be done in many other forms of online advertising, including blogging, search engine optimization, or even email marketing through solo ads. How you contact your potential customer will set the stage for how you continue to guide them on the path, and know that every customer will need to be guided or they will step off the path before they reach the end. Your goal is to get as many as possible to the end of the path where they become happy and loyal lifelong customers. Step 2, engagement. Once you are in front of your customer, you need to get them to engage. In the classic direct marketing approach, we will do this by enticing them into a simple arrangement where we give them something of value for free. We have piqued their interest, and they have come into our sales funnel where we take them down the path to step 3 and ask them to subscribe. Engagement enticed them to come to our funnel and see if what we promised them in our social media post was worth it, while subscription is that micro commitment that says it's okay to keep sending them emails and working with them toward our ultimate goal. Here in the subscription step, in order for them to receive their free gift, they give up their name and email address. By doing so, they agree to hear more from you, and you give them the free gift they were promised. So once you engage, then get them to subscribe and stay committed to receiving contact from you, you are well on the path to a real relationship. This step is your first test, however. If the free gift is junk, you can bet they will unsubscribe from your list and you will never hear from them again. Here is where you need to start over-delivering on value and gaining their trust. With the start of that trust comes step number 4. Make them a customer. That free, high-value, low-risk lead magnet has impressed them enough to get them to look at what you are selling. They know you're going to try to sell them something. They are not stupid, and if you have given them value for free, they will take a few minutes to get a look at what you're offering and see if there is value and interest for them. This item needs to be low priced and of high value to keep them intrigued, and when done successfully, you will have moved them down the path towards your ultimate goal. First things first, though, the next step is to generate excitement about your brand. People buy with emotion and justify with logic. This means you cannot just dump them into a raw data dump of why your product is the best thing since sliced bread. You need to appeal to them on an emotional level. You need to touch on a need or a want, and while doing so, appeal to them in 3 areas. The Greeks called these ethos, pathos, and logos, but we can think of them more simply as ethics or credibility, emotional connection through love, fear, or deeper understanding, and logic. Appeal to them with emotional storytelling and delight them with the value that you provide. This takes you to the next step in the customer journey, and that's make them a multi-product buyer. That's right. Your goal now that you have made a connection, made them excited about your brand and what you can do for them, it's time to pile on the value and make an actual profit. Up until now, you've likely barely broken even with the cost of acquiring the customer. In fact, you may have lost money to get to this point, and that's okay. Your goal is not to make one sale and walk away. It's to create a customer for life. The happy customer at this point will accept multiple items from you, upsells, downsells, and add-ons, because you have delighted them so far, and they believe they will continue to be delighted doing business with you. Don't disappoint them. Now that they have purchased multiple things from you, it's time to get them to the next step, where they will spread the love. Happy customers love to talk about the products and the people they purchased from. Notice I did not say company, I said people, or more importantly, the person. They want to buy from you, not from a nameless corporation, but from you. They have identified with you, and now you are their trusted advisor. Never forget this. They share because they trust you, and they want that feeling of sharing something positive with others. And this is not just about the need for approval. It's really a true need to say, look here, I found a great product from a great person, and I want you to know about it too. The effect of this sharing can be a major commitment to you and your brand, where now they have reached the next step in the journey where they become a promoter. Yes, it sounds too good to be true, but your best customers at this point will actually become your best affiliate sales promoters. If you have not already established an affiliate sales program for your brand, you should. These super customers are not timid about telling everyone about your brand and will become your best ambassadors out in the world. Not only will they purchase from you again and again as you release more products of high value, they will promote those to everyone they can, either formally or informally. If they are not going to be official affiliates, at least consider a way to reward these promoters with loyalty gifts or points that are of ongoing value to them to keep them tied to your brand for the future. These 8 steps have comprised the customer value journey, and this journey is real for any business selling any product or service in any market. The beauty of the new digital marketplace is that you have the ability to reach people all over the world at numbers that are truly staggering today. This is not your father's marketplace. This is a world market with unlimited potential. Take your customers down this path and create a loyal following that will drive up the profits of your business while expanding your loyal base due to your ability to continue to deliver high-value products that exceed expectations and address the real wants and needs of your customers. For more information on exactly how to provide this value in online digital marketing, check out the link in the description. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, life is good.